Hey there, this is Walker with WalkerX.com. Today is June 24th of 2009. I want to share my thoughts with you about gold. I've never been much of a gold bug, this and the other, but I kind of see some things going on out there. I've got some thoughts about it, and I just kind of want to share it with you guys. My other videos are all very interrelated. All this stuff is interrelated to each other. The fact that cash is not going to devalue like people think it's going to. The fact that the stock market, we're in a bear market long term, even though we currently had a big rally in the stock market. The fact that inflation will not overcome, but deflation will continue. All of these things speak to each other. All these things that I've said in the other videos to be true are totally interrelated, and they're also related to this gold thing. A lot of people are thinking gold is going to hit 1,000 and then crash through, and I guess it's already hit 1,000 once and gotten close to 1,000 again. And a lot of people think people need to buy a lot of gold because their cash is going to devalue and it's going to be worthless. I say not true at all. I say the safest thing to do is to hold cash and not buy a lot of things, not invest in a lot of expensive things, a lot of new things. New things are going to lose a lot of value. Cash is king right now, in my opinion. The government, of course, is trying to fight that fact. Watch my other videos and you'll hear my opinion on that. But without going into too much detail, like I said, watch my other videos. It is my opinion that gold is currently in basically a gold bubble. The reason why people are buying gold is out of fear. They're fearing that their money is going to be worthless, and they want to, and they don't have the stock market to invest in. Well, some people actually right now think they do because of our recent rally, which I'm saying is a false rally, and we're going to actually go down. I said that in my other videos. But it's gold is an interesting commodity. It's a lot of people think it's money because it used to be money. But it's not actually money these days. You can't go to Walmart and buy diapers with gold. So gold's not actually money, but people think it's money. And that's what's interesting. If people think gold is money, then they will cause the price of gold to go up because they'll buy it thinking it's a way to save their money, save their dollars. And part of the reason that people want to buy gold and think it's going to go up so well is because they think the dollar is going to devalue, which is the last video I talked about. So what I see going on here is I see gold is, yeah, it's bubbling up, it's touching 1,000, coming back down, now it's back up around 1,000. I do not believe that gold is going to skyrocket like everybody says. I'd say by the end of the year that gold will be under 700, and that once this deflationary, depressionistic scenario that we are currently in, which a lot of you right now are going to think I'm ridiculous for saying that, because our current stock market rally has a lot of people fooled into thinking everything's all better now, which I completely disagree with. If you look at the decline for 3 years of the Great Depression from 29 to 33, you'll see there was some good rallies in the stock market in that 3-year scenario. And then there was another leg down, worse than the previous leg down. Because I believe we are in that kind of scenario, I don't see the dollar losing value, and therefore I don't see gold shooting up like everybody thinks. So I'm calling gold as not a good investment right now, especially now it's getting close to the 900 and above mark and all that. And I say cash is king. So if cash is king, then be careful with gold. A lot of gold's rising right now has very much to do simply with fear. People don't know what to do. People are losing their jobs. They're feeling broke. They're feeling unwealthy. So when they hear people say gold's going to go through the roof to 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, I hear them say. People who are feeling very down right now, not seeing anywhere else to put their money and make money, are throwing money into gold, thinking that they're going to make some money in this bad situation. It's a sad situation, but I don't see that that's where you're going to make your money in this situation. If you want an opinion on maybe where to put your money in this situation, look at my other video on where the stock market's headed, the Dow Jones. And if it makes any sense to you, make your move on that. But I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not an economist. As one of my favorite bloggers, The Mish Report, I'm like him when he started. I saw that he had started giving his opinion on these things way back when, and he wasn't an economist or anything. Now today, he's one of my favorite people to read on the economy. I think he's a very smart guy. Other people I recommend, I know it's supposed to be about gold, but other people I recommend is Robert Prechter and Hugh Hendry. It's my opinion that they've got the most accurate perspective on the economy, and also the Mish Report. You can find that M-I-S-H Mish Report. You can find that on, just Google it, find his website. That's my opinion for now on gold. Talk to you later.